garage today. My friends at MOONCOOL have sent me another box, so I'm really excited to go ahead and get this open and see what they sent me. Okay, so I have everything unboxed, and it looks like that they have sent me this really pretty light blue foldable trike. I might have a little bit of work ahead of me, so I'm going to grab these instructions and I'm going to get started with the assembly process so I can get it outside and start having fun with it. Alright everyone, I have this MOONCOOL TK Pro trike fully assembled. All I need to do is do some minor adjustments, get the battery charged so I can get it outside and take you guys with me for its first ride. Okay everyone, so I'm ready to take this MOONCOOL TK Pro trike out for a ride, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like because it is a foldable trike. This is what it looks like in the foldable position. It does have this nice little stand right here so that when it is folded, it is not resting just on the ground, it's kind of elevated. But yeah, so you have that option to fold it up. So let me go ahead and get it ready to ride and tell you a little bit more about the features. Now that I have the bike back to being able to ride it, let me tell you guys just a little bit more about this particular trike. You are going to get a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery that's located right here. You have your key right here where you can unlock the battery to remove it from the bike. The charging port is actually on this other side of the bike right here. This particular battery is going to take around 7 hours to fully charge. Once it's fully charged, so you're going to have a riding range of anywhere from 45 miles up to 75 miles. Just as a reminder, the terrain, the weather, your rider weight, all those types of things does impact your overall riding range on a single charge. The TK Pro is made out of 6061 aluminum. This particular one did come with a water bottle holder for me, so I like to have that accessory as I'm riding. And looking at the handlebars, you do have your standard grips. Here is your control panel right here. I'm going to press this button at the very top and hold it for just a few seconds to get the LCD display to come on. As you'll notice, it is a color LCD display. It is also a smart display so that the information is going to be readable in the direct sunlight. On the display, you're going to be able to see your battery life. It's telling me it's 100%, my miles per hour. Here's my pedal assist, which I can change with the up and down arrows on the control panel right here. I'm just going up. There are 5 different levels. Go back down. And then I have my miles. Underneath of the control panel right here, here's a button that's going to let me toggle in between the different screens. So I can do my time that I've ridden it. I can do my power, so it's going to show you your watts, your maximum speed, your average, all kinds of different information for you. I do want to mention that this TK Pro does have an electric horn. In addition to the electric horn, it does have left and right turn signals. So let me go ahead. Here's your left button, and then here's your right button. And as you're using those features, it does display that on your display panel. It also has a horn. It also has a light. I already told you about the horn that will come on, and that'll also show on that LCD display. Let me go ahead and shut off the blinker. You're going to have a 7-speed Shimano shifter. You have a half twist throttle right here, and another great feature with this particular trike is that there is a parking brake. You have a parking brake on your left and your right side, and all you're going to do is just going to press the brake lever in, and you're going to switch this red lever. And then there's one on the left side too, so I'm pressing in the brake lever and I'm just twisting the lever, and now the trike is in a locked position for parking and it's not going to go anywhere. To release that, I'm just going to undo the levers, press the brake levers, and then I'm ready to move again. Okay, so those are just some of the features that I wanted to point out before I went ahead and hopped on and started riding. So let's go ahead and go for a ride, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. Mention is that this particular trike does weigh around 112 pounds. but the overall load capacity is going to be up to 450 pounds, and it is recommended for anybody that is 5 foot tall up to 6'3" tall. It does have the really low step-through version so that it makes it easy for anybody to get on and off this bike. As I mentioned earlier, there are 5 different levels of pedal assist, and your maximum speed is going to be around 16 miles per hour with this Trike. When it comes to the motor, you're going to have a 750 watt rear drive motor. One additional feature that this particular Trike has, it does have a torque sensor. So as you're pedaling, the bike is learning how you're pedaling, and then it adjusts accordingly to provide you more assistance as needed to offer you that much smoother ride when you're riding. I really like that it has fat tires on it, especially because where I do a lot of riding, there's lots of different dirt roads with the paved roads, and it is just so much smoother on a fat tire Trike riding these roads. As I am changing in between the different pedal assist levels, I can instantly feel the Trike trying to help me out more. Obviously, the higher the number that I'm using, the more the Trike is helping me. Oh, there's a bald eagle right there. You just never know what I'm going to see when I come down on these rides like this. So pretty. He's down by the river. But he is definitely pretty. He's out enjoying the sunlight just like I am today. You may have noticed when I was showing you guys the bike and telling you a little bit about it that it does have a front basket on it, and it has a great big rear basket. Those are just a couple of the different accessories that you can purchase to go with this. Other things that you can order in addition to those that you can make it more customizable just to your preference on why you might want to be able to use the Trike for your riding. The seat is definitely cushy. When I get off, I'll have to show you guys. There is a way to be able to adjust the seat itself and the backrest that this one came with, and that there are also vents in it so that on those really, really hot days, it's going to provide you a little bit more extra airflow to help keep you cooler while you're riding. What a great day to be outside riding this TK Pro Trike. Let me go ahead and tell you guys what I was talking about just a few minutes ago about their seat. So as you notice, the seat is just a little bit wider, but there are these vents located right here. That way on those hot sunny days, you're gonna get a little bit of extra more airflow right there to help keep you cooler. And then on this backrest back here, you have a knob right here that you can untwist to be able to raise this up and down. So you can just put it wherever you need it to for your comfort, and then you just tighten the knob back up. I definitely want to thank my friends at MOONCOOL for sending me this Trike to share with you guys. If you're in the market for a Trike, definitely go check them out. As a reminder, this is their foldable Trike, and you're going to be able to get up to around 75 miles on that single charge. So if this makes you interested, definitely go check out their website. We will have a direct link in the description of this video to take you to their website. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have fun and stay safe.